Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to see what device are logged into your Amazon account on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, go ahead and open Amazon application on your device. Okay, and then tap on profile icon at the bottom. And then please scroll down until you find this option, Devices. Well, and then here you can see what device are logged into your Amazon account. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to see what device are logged into your Amazon account on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.